I am speaking from Newton study. Now I am going to teach you about third equation of motion. What is third equation of motion? An equation which gives the relation between initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration and the distance traveled by the body is known as third equation of motion. An equation which gives the relation between initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration and the distance traveled by the moving body is known as third equation of motion. Let a body is moving with uniform acceleration whose initial velocity is not zero. Suppose a body is moving with uniform acceleration, means its speed, its velocity increases equal amounts in equal interval of time, which is clear by the following graph. In the graph, initial speed of the body is equal to OA is equal to EU. ग्राफ में OA जो है इनिशियल वेलोसिटी को रिप्रेजेंट करता है और BC जो है फाइनल वेलोसिटी को रिप्रेजेंट करता है और टाइम OC इज इक्वल टू AD. OC इज इक्वल टू AD. ये जो है टाइम को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. Acceleration of the body A, slope of AB represent acceleration. We know that the area enclosed by velocity time graph and speed time graph is known as the distance traveled by the body. यदि जो है वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ या स्पीड टाइम के बीच जो है हम ग्राफ प्लॉट करते हैं, जो ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर गेन होता है उसका एरिया जो है द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड होता है. When a body is moving with uniform acceleration and its initial velocity is not zero, when we plot a graph between a speed time graph or velocity time graph, then we gain a geometrical figure in the shape of trapezium that is known as the distance traveled by the body. Hence, distance traveled by the body S is equal to area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to sum of parallel lines into height. Sum of parallel lines into the altitude, the height between the parallel lines. Hence, half parallel lines है OA plus BC. OA BC. Half area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel lines into altitude, height, the distance, the perpendicular distance between the parallel lines. Hence, area of trapezium is equal to half into OA plus BC. OA or BC parallel lines and AD altitude perpendicular between the parallel lines. Hence, half into OA is equal to U, BC is equal to V, AD is equal to T. Next step, half is equal to V plus U. We we gain the value of t from the first equation of motion. We find the value of t from the first equation of motion. First equation of motion is equal to v is equal to u plus at, imply v minus u is equal to at. Hence t is equal to v minus u by a. We find the value of t from the first equation of motion. T is equal to v minus u by a. Hence we put the value of t, v minus u by a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Hence v plus u, v minus u is equal to v square minus u square by a. By cross multiplication we get next step 2as is equal to v square minus u square. We take minus u square to the left side, we get next step u square plus 2as is equal to v square. Now we can write next step v square is equal to u square plus 2as. This equation is known as third equation of motion. An equation which gives the relation between final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration and distance is known as third equation of motion. Now I finish my teaching. I will see you in next video with new topic. Thank you.